Hey guys, welcome back. So I've just done my chores and stuff, and I've come back upstairs with my phone on charge and my iPad. This is the charger I'm using for my iPad, and it's not come back on. I've only just taken it off charge just to show you, but yeah. And when you click that, it should say, then it does that and it goes off again. So I'm going to try and post videos on my phone. I've uploaded a few by my iPad, which is this stack of DVDs right here.